Here we are at the main entrance. You can see that window there is broken, that window's there broken, that one, well, it's not broken, open. Another one there as well, I think. No, that's just the blinds looking a bit funky. But yep, there you have it, Bletchley police station, still standing. Now, I had a quick walk about in here yesterday, just to case the place out. The rear door is open, which is where we're going to go through. And remember that cold spell we had when the temperature dropped to -6 or 7? Well, I think one of the water pipes up in the roof must have burst because there has been quite a bit of flood damage, which you will see in a little bit. So, without further ado, let's crack on with the tour. Oh, it's lovely there's a door working for us. Oh yeah. There's a spy hole for the cell. There's that. Hey, nice little office. Fucking lights are still on. What about this? Oh, they ripped the sink out of this. Yeah. What was the point? I know the place is getting demolished, but still. Yeah, this little like stainless steel unit there, that's gone. Key hatch. Whoa, look at that, the stainless steel top. Sit there. Cupboard out. Yeah. Right. Right, I'm going to get the torch out just to brighten things up a little bit because it is a tad dark in here. Ooh. Oh, that's disgusting. That's 7 years bad luck. Another office with the I think that might have been a camera or something. Was this an interview room? Oh yeah, look, the camera. So this is an interview room. Oh yeah. I take it this is the other interview room. If we go out here, oh look, there's the new flats across the road. Okay, right, let's go and explore elsewhere. Right, we're now coming into another part. Fucking hell. There's so much bad luck in this building with all these mirrors that keep breaking. Everyone loves taking his shit in here. Shower room. Haven't broken the glass on that. Ah, the cell block. Good old cell block. Anyone in there? Oi, wakey wakey. So, how many of you old Milky's people have ever ended up in this cell? Hey, get me the fuck out of here, man. I'm not looking forward to doing life imprisonment. If you didn't want me to kill you, you should have obeyed me and done as I fucking told you. AP was here 17th of March 2023. Nice bog standard office there. Oh, and here we have reception. Fire alarm system smashed. Please do not touch or interfere with door control. Why not? Looks like fun. Look, there's left the window open. Hello everyone, this is me sitting at the reception window at Bletchley police station. It's all good, isn't it? It's raining outside. Right, let's have a look in this office. Not much really going on in here. Right, I'll see you on the other side of the reception. What a mess. Well, if you want to know what was the floors are made of, there you go. Press to open door. It's not working. Not working. Rubbish, it doesn't work. That window's smashed, so if you wanted to get in, you could risk climbing through all them broken glass to get up on here. If you're skinny enough to get through the bars, that is. We'll have a look upstairs in a minute. So, Gandy's down here. I'm going to have to put it on one-time zoom again. Right. Oh yeah, we've got that bit again. Now, there's the bathroom. Sorry about the one-time zoom thing, but my torch is dead and I didn't bring an extra bloody battery out with me. Fucking hell, some of these doors are well jammed. Left another open window. You can see here, oh my word. Oh my god, look at this. Look at that whacking great big bulge. As I said, this place flooded, look, you can see the water still dripping off the roof. So this majorly flooded. Probably the reason why they came in here and ripped all the roof off trying to find the leak. Look what it's done to the floor. That's why you couldn't open that fucking door. Well, at least now we know. Right. So that door can't be opened. This office is, oh man, it stinks of damp. My God. Look at the water coming through there. Holy crap. Serious water damage. So like I say, peeps, it looks like the one of the water mains burst. Oh bloody hell, what the fuck? What the hell have they done in here? Fuck me. They kicked the toilet cubicle right off the wall. Bloody hell. Jesus. Just a teeny tad's worth of vandalism. Fuck about. Oh, anybody want to need police industrial bog roll? Gilman Bennett. Right, let's walk down this dark bit of corridor. Oh, actually, they haven't done the same to the ladies, have they? Or the gents, or whatever. Ah, we find him out. We might have found another sneaky way in. If you go through here. Oh no, it's not a sneaky way in. It's just a way into another office. Fuck it, we'll go through here. Oh. Wow. They have proper kicked the fuck out of this. Oh wow. Is this what I think floor plans. Wow. More floor plans. More open and smash windows. One very smashed up fucking kitchen. Jesus. They had a fucking field day in here, didn't they? It's like a whole folder of paperwork that used to be here. They spread that all over the place. Now that's a small plan of the police station. Right. Let's carry on with the tour. If we can get out. Since they came in a like unscrewed way, get the torch out. Oh, come on, stupid torch. Here's all the lockers. We know there's nothing in them. I think this is the, yeah, that's the entry door to that kitchen ICT equipment room. Now in there. Put the torch away again. Wow. Oh. More flooding. Jesus. Look at the hump on that floor. See? Cops are still here. Sleeping policemen. Why aren't you out in the middle of the fucking road stopping traffic? Why are you sitting in the middle of an office? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, guys, look. Listen. That is soaking wet carpet. Bloody hell. Yeah, I think this place has got a bit of a damp problem. It fucking has now. Look at that hump. That's mental. No way. No way. Fucking hell, mate. They said they weren't. Look what I just found. So I could. Look at this. I could do that. Another silly polish. Oh yeah, man. What a find. This place hasn't been hit by the damp so much. Still could get over something bad. That's nuts. What about baton, handcuffs? All that stuff will do. Ooh, that's slippery. Right. That door looks like it's seen better days. Oh. Yeah. This definitely has seen better days. I'm not going to let the door shut because it's got no handle on the inside. I don't fancy get locked in. Well, can we open? Please come in. Okay. Okay. Get the old torch out again because it looks a bit dark down here. Oh God, we got step ladders in here. Whoa. Another roof pulled down. Someone's put a nice hole through that window. Lockers. Any more badges or anything you want me to find? Yeah. That's the end of that office. Yeah. There's this door here. Oh. Oh. Still got them manky curtains in here. We never really looked through these properly last time. Oh, you can't open that fucking door. Oh, it's another sleeping policeman bump. Oh, Christ. Fucking hell, the door's so swollen up. Oh, look at all that mould. That's gross. The gents, what they done to the gents? Oh, nothing. Okay. Well, they vandalised the ladies. Oh, looks like they might have done. Oh, no, it's not ladies, it's just a shower room. That seems okay. Sink there. Right. Oh, the doors are sticking because the damp's got in. Have we already checked this room out? I can't remember. No, we haven't. They all look the same to me, but I don't understand why these... Oh, that's another office. Yeah, you can tell the damp's gone here because the doors are starting to stick. Oh, this one takes you through to this office, and I take it that used to be there. There's the roof. It's getting dark and gloomy out there, so it's probably going to rain on me on the way to work later. It's what? Just gone past 2 o'clock. So I've got to wrap this up and make my way to work. But before we do that, let's have a walk out on the roof. There you go, peeps. On the roof of the lower section of the police station. Now, these bits, that's where your cells are, there and there, they're your cells. Hello everybody. I know, I was nutty squirrel shit, but I love it. Oh. That's the door to the same office, but this one. Not too bad. Ooh, hold on. You might want to do something about that, so you can keep the door open because there's no handle on the other side, and I don't fancy getting locked in. We are now in an office above the main entrance. We can get up the stairs this way. Yep. Right. Down the stairs we go, back to main reception. Right guys, well that's it for this tour of Bletchley Police Station. I hope you enjoy it. It probably could be one of the last times getting here because I don't think it's going to be long before the demolition crew actually sets a foot in here and starts ripping the place to pieces. But also I've got 2 souvenirs. I've got a lovely self-adhesive police badge and we got a lump of glass at the cell door as well, so it's a nice couple of souvenirs. So, thanks for watching. Ready? Let's do this. Yeah, there was only one office that got gutted. Gee, that was quite a fierce fire, and all from the looks of it. Oh, the smell! Oh yeah, you can really smell it now. Anybody want to think? Oh, fucking hell. Oh. Oh, fucking look at the heat damage on the windows. Right, if it's going to be a bit dark in here, I brought my torch. Okay, people. Let's do this. Oh my god. Oh, fuck me. Look at all this. You wonder why I'm wearing a black coat. Fucking hell. Well, we all knew this was going to happen sooner or later at this place. Jesus. Look at the windows. This is the bits that had electrics as well. I didn't seem to get too smoke damaged. Evidence of what was going on in here before the fire. Christ almighty. Oh my god, that has got to be where the seat of the fire was. Obviously I don't need to torch for this bit, but yeah, well, just so you can see the damage properly. So cool. It'd been even worse if it would have made itself way through that partition wall. Fuck me. Oh. Yeah. It kind of affected around here. Affected this place as well. Obviously, that's where the fire brigade gained access. Oh, the smell in here, man, Jesus. Oh. Oh. Fucking hell. Oh god, we've got all this to explore as well, look. Fucking glass has melted with the heat. So, imagine standing on the other side of that wall with all that heat in the other room. Fucking hell. Well, it's lucky you called it early. I mean, if that had been left burning, half this building would have gone up. Did you work? Did you? Did you detect the fire? Fucking hell, something around here was burning plastic. That's all the smells of was burning plastic. Look at all the soot on the floor, man. There you go. This is the fire damage to Bletchley police station. I wonder how many more fires are going to be in here, because I've got a funny feeling this ain't going to be the only one. But we all know why they leave these places wide open like this. Because if there's any kind of a foo-far over planning and what have you, then if the building burns down, it kind of speeds the whole process up. Whoa, shit. So I think someone suggested that idea in my comments yesterday. Can't remember who, but...
equipment there, Andy.
the safety, like you do. Ooh. Hurry up.
Go down in history now, isn't it?
Yep. No, I was facing this way, wrong way. Never mind. Right guys, there you go. You've just watched the last dying throes of Bletchley Police Station. It does now not exist. So, there you go. Looks like I've got here just in the nick of time. Anyway, hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And if you want, feel free to join the membership. This is AB signing off from what used to be Bletchley Cop Shop.